responsibility of carrying the nuclear deterrent forward. The Royal Navy took up that challenge, and the Vulcans became tactical lift of arms on the fin, Panther's head of one group on the nose, representing all the Vulcan squadrons. Please welcome Vulcan. The Vulcan's operational career in April 1982, supported by 11 Victors, Vulcan 607 hit the centerline of Port Stanley runway. On the Vulcan, including 4 of the Black Buck raids, although never actually making it to the Portrush himself. Went on to be an instructor. Four-bladed, articulated system here, and designed really as a follow-on from the S-70 helicopter itself, a very successful machine, sharing many of the parts and flight control systems of the older aircraft. The more remote country areas, and of course the mountainous terrain as well, where many people come into difficulties.
Great way to fly. But doesn't it like scare you a bit when you're up?
Set over there. The one with the very big broad wings.
He was moved back into the flying role. You see him after a huge amount of flying on the VR1, the Tucano and the Harrier. Back into combining a lot of strength. But also with nice weight. Replacing our couple with the Bulldog, both of them have side-by-side seating. Bulldog.
Actually hit aircraft capable of Mach 2 that is here today.